we decided to visit the Rockland Bird Sanctuary in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And I don't know if you can see this, but they're all around us. Look, sitting on Rex's finger and feeding it. It's fantastic.
It's not vodka in these little bottles, I don't think. Nope.
Well, you all know how much I love hummingbirds, so this is feeding my inner bird nerd big time.
You sit on fingers too? You just do push-ups.
What kind of hummingbird is this again?
Red-billed streamer tail.
Red-billed streamer tail.
That one is the national bird of Jamaica.
Oh, and it's the national bird of Jamaica right here. Well, hello. Look who came to visit. What are you doing? You sure are cute. Come here.
Look at that long tail. Oh. I can't narrate while I'm feeding and it scares them away.
Look at how beautiful green that is. When you're in Montego Bay, Jamaica, this is a must-do. Come here, check it out. Remember, it's the Rockland Bird Sanctuary. And let us know what you think.